Let me share the screen. Okay. Is it recorded already? Muncul tanda tadi ada pemberitahuan direkam nggak? Ada ya? Oke. Okay. So today we are going to talk about recommendation. Apa sih recommendation? Nanti kita coba cari tahu ya. Okay, this is the first setelah 2 minggu ya kita nggak ketemu. Okay. Without further ado, let's start the lesson. Okay, this is your lesson objectives today. Ini tujuan belajar kalian. There are 3 lesson objectives for you. All right. The first one, after this lesson, students, which is you, will be able to differentiate movie genre. That's the first one. Jadi hari ini temanya tentang movie ya, the movie genre. Second one, you are be able to identify recommendation. Yeah, how to recommend something to others. And the third one will be able to create their own movie recommendation. Jadi intinya recommendation, tapi bahasannya kita gabungkan sama movie ya. Does anyone loves movies? Suka nonton film kah? Okay. Oh, nice. Nixie, Salma, and Keiza also, and everybody, yeah, perhaps, and Nashwa. Now, let's go to the next slide. Let's see. Sebelum kita lanjut, kita warming up dulu ya. Kita belajar tentang movie genre. Muncul nggak ininya? Pindah share screen-nya nggak ini? Is it
Pindah.
pindah? Pindah ya, jadi ke World War. Oke. Mister kasih linknya sama kalian. Coba dikerjakan dulu deh. Kita main game dulu. Di chat box. Silahkan diklik. Talk about genre. Nanti ada, kalian harus mencocokkan movie genre sama gambarnya. Tapi in term of listening. Jadi dengarkan baik-baik. Sudah bisa diakses kan? Nashwa, Salma, Nixie? Okay. Go ahead. I will give you 5 minutes to try it. Who's coming? Asia. Okay, can everybody play it? The way how you play it is just click the number and there will be a sound. Somebody saying some kind of genre movie. Jadi ada genre movie-nya apa ya?
A fantasy film.
Fantasy film. Which one ya fantasy film? 9.
A fantasy film.
Kalau misalkan udah ketemu fantasy film itu apa ya? You can draw
A fantasy
here, for
film.
example. Tinggal simpan. Oke, coba. 5 minutes.
A fantasy film.
I think it's that one. Supposed to be stopwatch. Three more minutes.
Sorry, Miss. Aku ulang
Ya.
lagi boleh? Soalnya tadi nggak ada sinyalnya.
Oh, nggak apa-apa, sok. Ulang lagi aja.
Oke, thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome.
Mister, maaf,
Yes.
linknya nggak ada.
Oh, yeah, it's because you. Okay, let me share it on the
Thank
chat.
you, Mister.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, one more minute. Okay, 10 more seconds. Okay, stop it. Everybody, could you open up your camera? Dapat semua nggak? Keisha, you've got everything? You got them all? Can you guess all them all?
Salah dua.
Okay, it doesn't really matter. Salma, how about you? You got everything? Oh,
Yes.
nice. Okay. Nixie, how about you? You've got everything? No? Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay, Hersel, how about you? Could you guess everything? Excuse me?
8.
Oh, only 8. Okay, Nashwa, how about you? You still working? Okay, let's discuss together, yeah. Now, let's see. There are some movie genre. Kalian pasti sering nonton movie ya. Tahu nggak sih genre itu apa ya? What is genre? We say that with this genre. What is genre? In
Jenis.
jenis, very good. In English, we call it genre. Nulisnya genre, tapi dibacanya genre. Genre, genre. Gitu ya, bacanya genre. Genre ada banyak banget genre. Tapi biasanya yang paling sering itu ini yang Mister sampaikan sama kalian hari ini di games. Sekarang kita coba cek ya. A funny movie that make people laugh. Kira-kira apa sih namanya? Does anyone know? Genre movie-nya ada yang tahu kan? A funny movie.
Komedi.
Yes, very good. Comedy. Which one? Kita cek ya.
A musical
Ini?
film.
Is it? Number 6?
A musical film.
No. How about number 1?
A romantic film.
No.
A sci-fi film.
No.
An adventure film.
7?
An action film. An action film.
No. Okay. 3?
A horror film.
Horror film.
An animated film.
Animated?
A comedy
is it?
film.
This is
Okay.
A comedy
Comedy
film.
films. Now look at a movie about space, the future, or technology that is not real. Apa ya? Film menceritakan tentang biasanya luar angkasa, future.
fiction.
Are you sure fiction? Dan technology. Technology.
A fantasy film. A musical film. A drama film. An animated film. An action film. A horror film. A sci-fi film.
What is sci-fi film? Sci-fi itu adalah, what is sci-fi? Does anyone know? Scientific film. Scientific biasanya ke teknologi. So we
A sci-fi film.
sci-fi film. A movie made with drawing or computer image, not real people.
An adventure film.
Adventure kah? No.
A horror film.
Horror film? No.
An animated film.
Animated film? Oke. Animated film.
An animated film.
Oke, kita coba cek aja deh dari sininya aja biar cepet. Kalau nomor 1 apa?
A romantic film.
Romantic film. Kira-kira yang mana gambarnya?
A romantic film.
Which one? You can use annotate to show me. Nyalain aja annotate-nya. Which one?
A romantic film.
Romantic film. Romantic means romantis. Which one? Kira-kira. Romantic. Romantic biasanya talking about love. Which one?
Perempuan dan laki-laki.
Huh? Could you say the title? Judulnya apa ya kira-kira kalau di sini?
Titanic.
Titanic. Okay,
A romantic film.
let's see. How about number 3?
A horror film.
Horror film. Salma, which one?
I think that is The Nun.
The Nun.
A horror
Yeah.
film.
Okay. How about
A drama film.
Nixie?
A drama film.
Nixie
nomor 3.
di bawah nomor 3. Oh,
A musical film.
musical. This
A
one.
drama film.
Okay. Drama film. How about number 6?
A musical film.
Najwa. Najwa.
A musical film.
I think yang paling bawah sebelah kanan.
This
A
one.
musical film.
Okay, musical film. Okay. All right, musical film. How number 7?
An action film.
Okay,
An action film.
The Avenger.
An action film.
Okay. How about Herzl?
A fantasy film.
Fantasy film.
A fantasy film.
Maleficent.
Mel.
A fantasy
Okay.
film. An adventure film.
Adventure. Oke, kita coba cek ya. Submit the answer. Oh, amazing. Ada yang betul semua nggak? Everybody. Kita coba lihat siapa leaderboard. Oh, the first, me the second, because we did it together. Kezia, Herzl got 8, Nashua 4. Oh, this is because of you lost your connection ya, Nashua. It doesn't really matter. Ini cuma game ya. Oke, itu jenis-jenis dari genre movie. Atau kita bilangnya sebagai apa ya? What is genre in Indonesia we call it? Aliran mungkin ya. Aliran film. Oke. Oke. Now, I've got question here. What was the last film you saw? What? Not your. It's supposed to be your. What's your favorite film? And why? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actress? Okay. There are so many questions here. Now, what you need to do, okay, look at this. You will work in pairs in a breakout room. I will put you into a breakout room, okay? One of you will be interviewer and the other will be the interviewee. Ask the question provided and write down the answer. You will present the answer to the rest of the class later. Jadi nanti Mister akan simpan kalian ke breakout room lagi, berkelompok. Salah satunya nanti kalian belajar jadi interviewer, yang satunya interviewee. Interviewer itu yang bertanya, interviewee yang ditanya. Oke, nanti kalau sudah selesai, gantian saling bertanya. Apa yang harus kalian tanyakan? This question. What was the last film you saw? Okay, what's your favorite films? Who is your favorite film actor? Siapa sih aktor favoritnya? Who is your favorite actress? Siapa aktrisnya ya? Perempuan berarti. Dan kenapa? Nah, nanti yang selanjutnya, do you like watching films? Suka nonton film nggak? Ini pilih aja salah satu. Apakah di rumah atau di cinema? What is cinema? What is cinema?
Top.
Bioskop. Very good. On TV, on computer, phone, or laptop? Apakah sendiri or with someone? Only once or more than once? Gitu ya. Nah, later I will give you this link. Ini ada Salma. Ini ada Nixie. Share screen-nya udah berubah belum?
Berubah.
Dua ya. Ada Keiza, ada Nashwa, dan ada Hersal. Kalian kerjakannya di tempat yang kalian. Nanti kalian tanyakan ke teman kalian pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini dan tuliskan jawabannya apa. Saling bergantian. Gitu ya. Kalau misalkan Hersal, interviewnya siapa yang ditanyanya? Misalkan Nixie. Tulis nama Nixie di sini. Lalu tanyakan sama Nixie. Gitu ya. In the breakout room, Mister kasih waktunya 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Mau 7 atau mau 10 menit? 10 or 7 minutes? Sama. 7 or 10?
10.
10. Salman, how about you? Everybody?
Then
10. Okay, let's have a 10 minutes. Ini Mister share dulu linknya ke chat box ya. Silakan dibuka. Oke. Sudah muncul? Silakan diakses dulu. Sambil Mister siapkan breakout room-nya. To breakout room, assign manually. Okay. Assign. Assign. With some. Okay. You will have 10 minutes. Don't forget to use your English. Practice your English, ya. Do not use bahasa. Try to use your English. Okay. So the room is open. Silakan masuk ke breakout roomnya masing-masing. Nixie, would you join to the room number 2? Bisa gabung ke breakout roomnya?
Belum.
Belum. Sebentar ya. Let me. Bentar, jangan dulu di accept, jangan dulu di accept. Saya pindahin lagi ke room 2. Coba, ada muncul nggak? Oke. Guys, I truly apologize. It's just running out of time. Udah selesai belum? Are you finished with the interview? Not yet. Okay. I will put you into the breakout room. Okay. For once. Untuk sekali lagi. Mister masukin lagi ya. Okay. Go ahead. Selesaikan ya. Finish it. Another 10 minutes. Hello, everybody. Are you already here? Hersal. Oh, it's only Hersal here. Where's the rest? Ah, you're already here. Okay. Let's see. Hersal is already done. Okay. Ashwal, you have an answer. Okay, it doesn't really work. Okay. Now, I will close it. Let me ask you a question. Nashwa,
Yes.
do you still remember what is the last movie was Nixie watch?
Daily at or sunshine.
Oh, okay, nice movie. And
Sorry.
Was it?
Happiness.
Kembali, sorry.
What is it?
Happiness.
The Happiness. Okay. And could you tell us who is Nixie's favorite actor?
Favorite actor Park Hyung-sik.
Did Nixie tell you why?
Because handsome.
Mm-hmm. Because
That-
it's handsome. Only that's it. That's all. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Nixie, do you still remember? Oh, what is Keisha's favorite movie or films?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. And did she tell you why?
Many people recommend.
Oh, because many people recommended it. Okay. And who is Keisha's favorite actress?
Actress Emma Watson.
Emma Watson.
Watson. Yeah,
Okay, why?
pretty because she's pretty.
Because he's pretty. Okay, thank you very much. Salma. You with Hersel, right? Okay. Do you still remember who is Hersel's favorite actor?
Yes.
Yes, who is he?
Peter Parker.
Peter Parker. Did he tell you why? The reason?
No.
No. And could you tell us what is his favorite movie?
Venom.
Venom. Why? Did he tell you? No. No, okay. It doesn't really matter. Thank you very much. And how about Kezia? You still remember what Naswa's favorite movie?
Yes.
What is it?
Toy Story.
Why?
Because fun.
Because fun. And you still remember who's her favorite actress?
Olivia Rodrigo.
Did she tell you why?
Because she inspired.
Because he or
She
she is pretty.
inspired.
Oh, okay. And the last, let's see, Hersel. You still remember who is Salma's favorite actor?
She don't have actor.
Oh, she doesn't have. Oh, okay.
Yes.
How about her favorite actress?
Han So-hee.
Excuse me?
Han So-hee.
Han So-hee. Did she tell you why?
No.
No. Okay. Interesting. When I heard your English, it's very impressive, guys. Your English is beyond your score. Masih ingat tuh skornya berapa? A1 dan A2 ya? I think kalau Mister lihat tadi percakapannya, it's supposed to be you are not at that level. Harusnya lebih naik lagi. Because your pronunciation is good, your delivering reason, when you delivering reason is good. Tinggal practice aja. Jarang ya kalian practice your speaking. How about at school? Masih sering praktis nggak kalau di sekolah? Atau pakai bahasa Indonesia juga di kelas? Use Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Ah,
Indonesia.
coba mulai dari sekarang, walaupun di sekolah 1-2 kalimat coba disampaikan ya. Berlatih banyak, karena kalau nggak dilatih susah. Gitu ya. Oke, kita lanjutkan lagi presentasinya. Oke, you already got this. Now, look at this. I've got oh yeah. Listen to conversation. Which film from the poster do people talk about? Wait ya. Kayaknya slide-nya ada yang salah deh. Wait. Mister cek dulu. This one supposed to be one. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be here. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Ini kita coba listening lagi ya. Ini ada beberapa, there are some picture here. Let's define first. Kalau yang ini kira-kira tadi still remember genre-nya apa ya? Sorry. Genre-nya apa ya kalau yang ini? Does anyone know? Ada yang tahu kan kira-kira? Ini? Let the right one. Kalau yang ini? Nggak tahu juga. Yang ini? Kira-kira apa? It's about love. Masih ingat tadi? No? Okay, it's fine. Sekarang kita coba listening ya. Later, listen to conversation. Which film from the poster do the people talk about? Ini ada judul-judul filmnya. Ada Gravity, ada Les Miserables, ada Rio 2, ada Skyfall, Happy Go Lucky, Valentine's Day, Lincoln, and Let the Right One In. Nah, nanti kalian coba dengarkan film mana ya yang dibicarakan sama dua orang yang di percakapan. Nanti ada dua conversation, tapi dengarkan semuanya dan coba ditebak kira-kira film mana ya yang dibicarakan. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's see. Muncul nggak listeningnya? Muncul nggak? Nope. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, the sound. Could you hear that one? Muncul nggak? Nggak juga. Why? What is it? What is the problem? Wait. Okay, wait. Kita coba lagi.
Unit 8,
Bisa
Recording 7.
kedengeran kan? Oke, kita coba ya.
Yeah, we went to a gig and we had a great time. Hey, Phil,
Yeah.
I've got a long train journey next week. I'm off to Edinburgh. Can you recommend a good film for the journey?
Let me think. What kind of films do you like?
Well, action films and dramas, that kind of thing.
How about Gravity?
Oh, that film with oh, who's in it?
Sandra Bullock and George Clooney. It's very good.
I don't really like sci-fi films.
I don't either, but this one is good. It's got a lot of drama, and the acting is great. Sandra Bullock is amazing.
What's it about? It's two astronauts, yeah?
Yes, it's about two astronauts, and they have an accident in space, and they try to get back home. That's all. But it's fantastic. The photography is great. I think you'd like it.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
No problem.
2.
Hey Clara, can you recommend a good film?
At home or at the cinema?
At home.
What kind of films do you like?
Different kinds. Comedies, dramas, romantic films.
Do you want a new film?
No, it can be new or old.
What about Let the Right One In? It's a kind of love story.
I saw that on TV last year. It's more of a horror film. I don't really like horror films.
Let me think. Do you know Happy Go Lucky?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's a comedy, but also a drama. I really liked it, and I laughed a lot.
What's it about?
It's about a teacher in London. Her name's Poppy. She's really kind to everyone, and she's always happy. It's about her life. She takes driving lessons, and there are problems at her school, and anyway, I think you'd like it.
Sounds good. Who's in it?
I don't know their names, but the actress playing Poppy is fantastic.
Okay, thanks. I'll try it.
Okay. Did you guess which movie? How many movie that's the person in the listening activity say about? How many are they? Ada yang bisa dapat film judul filmnya apa aja?
Giant and Happy Go Lucky.
Happy Go Lucky and
Giant.
Giant. Where's Giant? There's no Giant, Hersel.
Gravity and Happy Go Lucky.
Gravity and Happy Go Lucky. Okay. Another one.
Let the Right One.
This one. What is it?
Let the Right One.
Let the Right One. Happy Go Lucky and Gravity. Are you sure? Cuman 3 itu aja. Ada yang lain kah? Salma, how about you? You don't know? Nggak ketemu? Oke. Oke. Jawaban yang betulnya adalah yes. Gravity, Let the Right One In, and Happy Go Lucky. Okay. You still remember di percakapan yang keberapa Gravity disebutkan?
Yang pertama.
The first one. Okay. How about the Let the Right One In? And the Happy Go Lucky?
Yang kedua.
Yang kedua. Very good. Pendengaran kalian udah bagus-bagus nih. Ada yang belum dapat? Nah, it doesn't really matter. Kita tetap latihan ya. Okay. Now, look at this. Kalau tadi kalian dengarkan, if you listen, orang-orang tersebut ini ya, mengungkapkan beberapa hal. Ada yang suka ataupun tidak suka. Now, how you express like and dislike? Kalau misalkan kamu tidak suka, itu bilangnya gimana sih? Kalau ada orang bilang tidak suka, I don't like atau gimana? Let's try. Salma, do you like action movie?
Yes.
Yes, you like it?
Yes, I like it.
You like it. How about horror movie, Salman?
I'm not really like it.
You're not really like it. Okay, thank you, Kay. Do you like science fiction movie?
No, I don't like.
No, you don't like. Okay, how about Les Miserables, a drama movie? Okay,
I don't like too.
you don't like either. Okay, how about animated?
Yes, I like
You like
animated.
it. Okay, how about Nashwa? Do you like biography movie?
I don't like.
You don't like. How about action movie?
Um, I don't. I think same.
Oh, you think so? You like it?
Yes,
Okay. How about this one? A comedy?
I like.
You like it? Okay. Uh, Herzl, perhaps? Do you like? How about this? Do you like animated
I
movie?
like this.
Oh, you like this. How about horror movie?
I like this
Oh,
because
you
I
like because you like.
like
Excuse me.
film scary.
Oh, a scary movie. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, look at this. In English, there are two ways. There are several ways. Ada beberapa cara kalau mau bilang suka dan tidak suka ya. Yang paling umum yang tadi kalian sampaikan. Ada yang bilang I do like it, gitu ya. Atau I think yes, I like it. Kalau tidak suka, no, I don't like it. Tapi tahu nggak, ada beberapa cara kita bisa menggunakan what we call it, how to express like and dislike. Now, let's see. Kalau kita menyampaikan rasa suka, misalkan ya, oke, saya suka film ini, saya suka film itu. Selain dengan bilang I like this movie, tapi ada juga yang lain. Nah, ada 5 setidaknya. Ada I like it. The first one, kalian bisa bilang I like, bisa bilang I love, I enjoy, atau I'm a fan of, atau I'm into. Tapi tolong hati-hati ya, kalau mau pakai I'm into. Kalau into biasanya diikuti dengan ing. Gitu ya. Nah, kita lihat kalau like bisa kalau pakai movie misalkan I like movie, I like horror, I like comedy gitu ya. Boleh pakai I like. Kalau enggak pun pakai I love. I love ininya boleh diikuti dengan kata benda atau noun phrase. Masih ingat noun phrase kemarin ya? Jadi setelah kata-kata ini diikutinya sama noun phrase atau sama noun. Nah, contoh kalau I love tadi ya, bosen nih mau bilang I like horror movie, for example. Boleh deh pakai yang lain, I love horror movie, for example ya. Atau I enjoy horror movie, boleh juga. Atau karena mungkin suka banget nih, you can say I am a fan of horror movie. I'm a fan of Harry Potter, gitu ya. Atau I'm into Harry Potter, gitu. Boleh. Jadi selain tadi pakai I like, alternatif yang lainnya kalian bisa pakai I love, I enjoy, I'm a fan of, sama I am into. Gitu ya. Jadi coba pakai variasi ini. Jangan hanya menggunakan yang I like aja. Kasih variasi yang lain. Oke, dapat ya? Alright. Is there any other questions before I continuing? Ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu? No? Kalau tidak ada, let's go to dislike. Pun begitu kalau kalian juga menyatakan, saya nggak suka. Yang paling umum tadi kalian bilangnya, I don't like it. It doesn't really matter, it's a common in English. The most common way how to express dislike is I don't like it. Gitu ya. I don't like it. I don't like horror movie. I don't like comedy. I don't like drama. Boleh, itu yang paling umum. Tapi boleh juga pakai kata dislike. I dislike horror movie. gitu ya. Boleh pakai itu juga. Or kalau misalkan biasanya sih kalau orang-orang bule sehari-hari, American terutama ya, mereka lebih senang pakai yang ini. I am not fan of horror. I am not a fan of comedy, gitu ya. I am not a fan of musical, gitu ya. Gitu. Atau bisa, misal saya pengennya pakai don't deh, boleh tambahin belakangnya enjoy. I don't enjoy horror. I don't enjoy musical movie, gitu ya. Kalau enggak boleh tadi pakai I'm not into. I'm not into drama. I'm not into horror movie. Gitu ya. Jadi sebetulnya banyak hal, banyak cara untuk menyatakan suka dan tidak suka dalam bahasa Inggris. Contohnya kayak yang pakai yang ini. Dapat ya? Jadi ada beberapa variasi kalian bisa menggunakan ekspresi suka dan tidak suka dalam bahasa Inggris. Now let's go back here. Salma, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Salma. Are you into horror movie? Do you like horror movie?
Not fan of horror movie.
Exactly. Very good. Salma, how about this? Do you like action movie?
I like action movie.
Very good. Nah, gitu dicoba. Jadi lebih bervariasi ya, okay? Do you like romance movie?
I love romance movie.
Very good. How about animated?
I'm fan of animated movie.
Nice. Nashwa,
Yes.
do you like science fiction movie?
I dislike action movie.
Very nice. Dislike. How about biography movie? Nashwa.
I think Sam, I don't like.
Oh, okay. You don't like either.
Yes.
Okay. Nixie. Do you like drama?
I think I enjoy the drama.
You enjoy the drama. How about horror movie?
Same. I enjoy the
You
horror
enjoy
movie.
it. Is there any movie that you don't like?
Science.
Science. How you say dislike on science fiction?
Kurang suka aja sih. I don't like.
Okay, so in English, what do you say?
I
Saya
don't
tidak
like the science movie.
I don't like. Very good. Hersel, do you like what we call animated movie?
I like.
I like. Okay. How about drama or biography?
I don't like.
You don't like. Are you sleepy, Hersel? Oke, gitu ya. Jadi kalau dari sekarang, kalau ditanya suka atau tidak suka, alternatifnya banyak ya. Tidak hanya kalau kalian bilangnya cuman gitu-gitu aja misalkan I don't like it, I dislike it gitu ya. Boleh juga pakai yang lain. So there's an alternative for you to say that. Dapat ya? Is there any other questions sebelum bisa lanjutkan? No? Okay. Now look this. What kind of, oh ini tadi udah ya. Harusnya tadi peers, tapi udah. Bisa lewat aja. Now look this one. Kita listening lagi ya. Tadi udah yang harus kalian lakukan di sini, listen up, listen again. In which conversation, katanya, in which conversation does someone talk about this topic? Write one or two. Contoh, tadi kan ada dua, ini kan, ada dua percakapan kan, percakapan yang pertama sama yang kedua. Kalau ternyata kalian menemukan, oh di percakapan pertama itu ada yang ngomongin action movie, kalian cukup tulis one, misalkan ya. Atau misalkan ternyata di percakapan kedua juga ada ngomongin action movie. Kalian tulis 2. Gitu ya. Itu cara jawabnya. Kalau nomor 2 misalnya comedies, ada nyebelin comedies nggak? Kalau ada di 1 percakapan yang pertama tulis 1. Kalau nggak ada yang kedua nggak usah. Gitu ya. Is it clear? Alright. Kita coba listening lagi ya. Mister kasih 2 kali kesempatan untuk mendengarkan. So try to guess it. Okay, are you ready? Oke, kita mulai ya. Kita cek dulu.
Unit 8. Record
Muncul tidak? Muncul ya? Oke, kita mulai ya. The first list.
recording 7.
Yeah, we went to a gig and we had a great time. Hey, Phil,
Yeah?
I've got a long train journey next week. I'm off to Edinburgh. Can you recommend a good film for the journey?
Let me think. What kind of films do you like?
Well, action films and dramas, that kind of thing.
How about Gravity?
Oh, that film with who's in it?
Sandra Bullock and George Clooney. It's very good.
I don't really like sci-fi films.
I don't either, but this one is good. It's got a lot of drama, and the acting is great. Sandra Bullock is amazing.
What's it about? It's 2 astronauts, yeah?
Yes, it's about 2 astronauts, and they have an accident in space, and they try to get back home. That's all. But it's fantastic. The photography is great. I think you'd like it.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
No problem.
2.
Hey Clara, can you recommend a good film?
At home or at the cinema?
At home.
What kind of films do you like?
Different kinds. Comedies, dramas, romantic films.
Do you want a new film?
No, it can be new or old.
What about Let the Right One In? It's a kind of love story.
I saw that on TV last year. It's more of a horror film. I don't really like horror films.
Let me think. Do you know Happy Go Lucky?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's a comedy, but also a drama. I really liked it, and I laughed a lot.
What's it about?
It's about a teacher in London. Her name's Poppy. She's really kind to everyone, and she's always happy. It's about her life. She takes driving lessons, and there are problems at her school, and anyway, I think you'd like it.
Sounds good. Who's in it?
I don't know their names, but the actress playing Poppy is fantastic.
Okay, thanks. I'll try it.
Dapat semua atau perlu diulang sekali lagi? You've got everything? Oh, one more time. Okay. Let's see. Be ready, okay? I will play one more time.
Unit 8. Recording 7.
Yeah, we went to a gig and we had a great time. Hey, Phil,
Yeah?
I've got a long train journey next week. I'm off to Edinburgh. Can you recommend a good film for the journey?
Let me think. What kind of films do you like?
Well, action films and dramas, that kind of thing.
How about Gravity?
Oh, that film with who's in it?
Sandra Bullock and George Clooney. It's very good.
I don't really like sci-fi films.
I don't either, but this one is good. It's got a lot of drama, and the acting is great. Sandra Bullock is amazing.
What's it about? It's 2 astronauts, yeah?
Yes, it's about 2 astronauts, and they have an accident in space, and they try to get back home. That's all. but it's fantastic. The photography is great. I think you'd like it.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
No problem.
2.
Hey Clara, can you recommend a good film?
At home or at the cinema?
At home.
What kind of films do you like?
Different kinds. Comedies, dramas, romantic films.
Do you want a new film?
No, it can be new or old.
What about Let the Right One In? It's a kind of love story.
I saw that on TV last year. It's more of a horror film. I don't really like horror films.
Let me think. Do you know Happy Go Lucky?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's a comedy, but also a drama. I really liked it, and I laughed a lot.
What's it about?
It's about a teacher in London. Her name's Poppy. She's really kind to everyone, and she's always happy. It's about her life. She takes driving lessons, and there are problems at her school, and anyway, I think you'd like it.
Sounds good. Who's in it?
I don't know their names, but the actress playing Poppy is fantastic.
Okay, thanks. I'll try it.
Okay, you got everything? Okay, let's try it. How about the action movie? In which conversation do you find action movie?
Comedies.
No, Hersel. In which conversation? 1 or 2?
1.
1. How about number 2? Okay, you can open your speaker. Salma, how about action movie? Was the conversation number 2 talking about action movie?
1.
Only 1. Okay. How about comedies, everybody?
2.
2.
2. Very good. How about drama?
3.
1 and 2.
1
1
and 2.
and 2.
1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. How about romantic?
2.
2.
2? Only 2?
Yes.
Conversation number 1 doesn't talk about romantic film. Are you sure? Okay. How about horror movie?
2.
In which conversation? 2. Okay. Oh, scientific?
1.
1.
1.
1 only.
Yes.
When the science films talking about on the first conversation? When they talking about what movie?
Graffiti.
Gravity. Very good. The acting?
1.
1. Only 1? Ada yang bilang Sandra Bullock katanya. Di which conversation? 1 atau 2? Ya, Salma? Ingat nggak? Ada. Oh, this one is Sandra Bullock katanya. Graffiti itu yang keberapa? Which conversation? 1. Okay, very good. How about the photography?
1.
1. Very nice. Kalian jago-jago. Ada yang betul semua nggak? Ada yang dapat semua? Atau ada yang salah? No. Okay. Good one. Nah, kalian mau ujian ya? Plus 9. Kurang lebih nanti kalau ujian sekolah biasanya ada listening. Listeningnya kayak barusan. Kecepatan bicaranya seperti tadi. Pronunciation-nya seperti tadi. Jadi mulai dari sekarang tiap pertemuan Mister pasti biasakan kalian buat listening ya. Setidaknya nanti kalian terbiasa how to listen and try to answer the question. Gitu ya. Oke, good one. Oke, kita lanjut dulu. Oke, now Mister punya a jumble sentence. What you need to do, coba deh sama kalian. Arrange into a good sentence. Coba deh kalian urut menjadi kalimat yang benar. Coba kalian tulis, write it on the chat Zoom ya. Use your chat Zoom. I give you 3 minutes. Oke, kalau sudah selesai silakan share on the chat Zoom. Sudah? Ayo, kalau yang sudah, kalian ketik dan share di chat Zoom-nya. Sudah selesai? Salma, thank you. Can you recommend good films? Okay, what kind of films do you like? About Gravity, I don't really like science fiction. Do you know Happy Go Lucky? What is it about? Oh, amazing. Okay. Okay. Amazing, Salma. You got all correct. Everybody, yang lainnya? Oke, sambil ini kita bahas bareng aja ya. Udah jam 9. Let's see. Number 1, kira-kira harusnya kalimatnya seperti apa? Number 1. Di sini ada you can film good recommend a. It's supposed to be. Harusnya apa? Can you recommend a good film? Gitu ya. Number 2. Like of kind what films you do. What kind of films do you like? Gitu ya. 3. Gravity about how. How about gravity? Gitu ya. Oke. Nomor 4. Don't sci-fi I like really films. I don't like I don't really like sci-fi films. Number 5. Know you happy-go-lucky do. Do you know happy-go-lucky? Number 6. What's it about? Number 7. Who's in it? Who's in it? The last one. Which one? Yang pertama kira-kira apa? I dulu atau you dulu? I think you would like it. Itu jawabannya. Now, nih sebelum lanjut. Dari 1 sampai 8 ada nggak sih kalimat yang menyatakan atau memberikan saran ke orang? Kalau ngasih saran sama orang nih. Kayaknya bagus nih filmnya. Kayaknya menarik nih. Ada nggak? In which sentence? Di sentence number berapa? In which sentence? Okay. You don't know. Salman?
Maybe 8.
Maybe 8. Okay. Very good. Salma says 8. How about Nixie? You don't know? Nashwa? No? Hersel? Which sentence? You don't know too? Okay, it's fine. Gini, dalam bahasa Inggris, ada juga cara bagaimana kita menyampaikan saran sama orang lain ya. Ada 2, ada asking recommendation, ada giving recommendation. Bisa kita yang meminta saran, atau kita yang memberikan saran sama orang lain. Gitu ya. Saran dalam bahasa Inggris, we call it recommendation. Jadi yang namanya recommendation artinya saran atau usulan. Berarti asking recommendation adalah ungkapan meminta saran pada seseorang untuk dipertimbangkan. Hanya saran. Nah, sekarang kita lihat gimana sih how we ask recommendation to others. Yang pertama, kalau asking recommendation, kalian bisa pakai ungkapan-ungkapan ini. There are 5 way how to give asking recommendation. Kalau kita mau nanya rekomendasi, kalian boleh pakai ini. What would you recommend? Kalau dalam kalimatnya, what would you recommend for a good book to read? Misalkan ya. Atau boleh bilang juga, what would you recommend? Gitu aja juga boleh. Apa saranmu? Gitu ya. Atau bisa juga, do you have any suggestion? Suggestion itu artinya sama dengan recommend. Gitu ya. Boleh cuma bilang, do you have any suggestion? Tapi kalau mau panjang, do you have any suggestion for apa masalahnya? Do you have any suggestion for movies? Misalkan ya. Do you have any suggestion for meal? Our meal? Boleh. Ada saran nggak sih untuk makanan kita nih buat makan siang gitu ya? Atau boleh juga pakai can you recommend something? Bisakah kamu merekomendasikan sesuatu hal? Gitu ya. Atau boleh juga what do you think I should do? Kalau ini biasanya nanyain apa yang harus saya lakukan deh. What do you think I should do? Gitu kan. Kalau pengen lebih jelasnya, what do you think I should do for my next vacation? What do you think I should do for my exam? What do you think I should do for my ulangan? For example ya. Saya harus ngapain ya kalau mau ulangan? Gitu ya. Sering kan nanya kayak gitu. Aduh, harus ngapain ya? Besok ulangan matematika. Waduh, saya harus ngapain ya? Nah, saya harus ngapain itu boleh dengan what do you think I should do? Gitu. Atau boleh juga menggunakan where should I go for? Itu sama juga. Where should I go for a great cup of coffee? Saya harus pergi kemana ya kalau untuk minum kopi? Where should I go for a book? To the library. Gitu ya. Konteksnya kalau ada where di sini itu untuk menanyakan tempat. Jadi kalau kalian mau main kemana-kemana pusing nih, mau minta saran ke teman, boleh deh. Where should I go for? Where should we go for? Gitu ya. Itu asking recommendation. Jadi ada 5. Boleh pakai what would you recommend? Do you have any suggestion? Can you recommend something? What do you think I should do? Sama where should I go for? Khusus untuk yang where, itu untuk menanyakan tempat. Ada rekomendasi tempat nggak buat makan? Di mana ya? Gitu. Boleh pakai itu. Dapat ya? Oke. Next. Itu ada giving recommendation. Nah, tadi kalau orang nanya ke kalian, asking recommendation, cara jawabnya gimana ya? Salma, do you have any suggestion for me for a movie? Jawabnya gimana, Salma? Salma, is there any suggestion for me about the movie? Nixie? Gitu ya. Aduh, gimana cara jawabnya ya? Jawabnya boleh pakai kayak gini. Boleh I recommend. Kalau yang formal boleh pakai I recommend. Setelah recommend, itu diikuti dengan apanya maksudnya. Salma, for example, or Nixie, is there any recommendation for movie? I recommend Rio 2. Why? Because it is interesting. I recommend horror movie. I recommend romance movie, gitu ya. Boleh pakai recommend. Yang paling simple adalah recommend. Sir, tadi kan ada kata suggestion, sir. Boleh nggak recommendnya ganti sama suggestion? Boleh, tapi pakainya suggest, bukan suggestion. Gitu ya. I suggest horror movie. I suggest drama movie. Boleh. Atau yang kedua nih, you should definitely. Ini menyarankan banget ada kata definitely. Definitely itu sama dengan harus. You should definitely watch horror movie. You should definitely have a cup of coffee. You should definitely bring a coffee. Gitu ya. Boleh pakai itu juga. Kalau enggak, kalian sering ya bilangnya, guys, tadi cowok itu nembak tapi aku belum jawab. Kalian pasti pernah jawabnya kayak gini. Kalau aku jadi kamu, aku bakal terima. Kalau aku jadi kamu, aku bakal tolak. Pernah ya? Nah, ungkapan itu dalam bahasa Inggris boleh kalian pakainya yang nomor 3. If I were you, I would accept it. If I were you, I would watch drama movie. Gitu ya. Yang Keempat, you might want to consider. Oh, ini untuk yang formal banget. Kalau kalian lagi rapat, OSIS ataupun ngobrol sama orang tuamu, boleh pakai ini. You might want to consider. You might want to consider horror movie. You might want to consider Harry Potter movie. Itu kalau misalkan yang ini formal ya. Sangat formal. Kamu bicara sama orang tuamu, sama gurumu, sama orang yang lebih tua, pakainya yang ini. Sir, ada yang lebih simple nggak sih? Selain I recommend, kalau yang ini 3, kayaknya susah deh kalau diingat. Boleh pakai yang I recommend, atau yang terakhir. Why don't you try? Kenapa kamu nggak coba aja? Kenapa nggak kamu coba ini? Nggak coba itu. Pernah kan kayak gitu ya di bahasa Indonesia? Bahasa Inggris pun ada. Why don't you try horror movie? Why don't you try? Kalau nggak try, boleh pakai watch. Why don't you watch horror movie? Why don't you eat? Misalkan ya, kalau makanan. Try di sininya boleh dimasukkan atau enggak. Tapi setelahnya diikuti dengan kata kerja. Why don't you eat? Why don't you sleep early? Why don't you? Why don't you? Gitu ya. Jadi yang paling simple biasanya I recommend sama why don't you try. Yang ini biasanya lebih formal, yang 3 dibandingkan dengan yang 2. Gitu ya. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan kah? No? Oke, kalau tidak ada, udah jam 9 lebih 10 ya. I'm sorry. Ada 10 menit yang keambil. Ini tadinya mau praktis, tapi kayaknya nggak usah. Praktisnya kalian di rumah aja. Thanks. Nanti ada satu dokumen. Kalian coba kerjakan di rumah ya. Kalau sudah selesai, kalian kumpulkan lagi di WA. Paham ya? Kalian coba di rumah bagaimana giving recommendation yang tadi. Di situ ada beberapa dokumen, ada beberapa latihan. Nanti kalian dapat ini. Untuk yang pertama, kalian match aja, menjodohkan. Kira-kira yang ini itu untuk yang mana ya jawabannya? Cuman gitu aja. Tinggal misalkan nomor 1 kalian tulis A di sini, atau C, atau D. Cuman gitu aja cara jawabnya. Untuk yang nomor 2, nah ini sama juga kalian tinggal masukin word bank di sini ke yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kira-kira kalau I recommend itu cocoknya untuk kalimat yang mana ya? Cuman gitu aja ya. Nah yang terakhir ini writing test. Kalian coba bikin 2 atau 3 kalimat. Karena paragraf itu lebih dari 1 kalimat ya. 2 kalimat juga boleh. Itu jadi 1 paragraf. Jadi buat misalkan minimal 2 kalimat. Bagaimana kamu memberikan saran pada orang lain. Sarannya tentang apa? Tentang restoran boleh. Tentang buku atau tentang movie. Mau menyarankan movie sama orang lain boleh. Menyarankan buku sama orang lain boleh. Atau restoran. Sir, boleh nggak yang lain selain 3 hal ini? Boleh. Tapi intinya coba kalian kasih saran untuk orang lain. Sarannya boleh apa aja deh. Gitu ya. Is there any questions before I close the session? No? Oke, kalau tidak ada, kita ketemu lagi next week. Ini jangan lupa dikerjakan ya. Sampai kapan, Sir? Sampai kita minggu depan lagi deh batas waktunya. Boleh dikumpulkan sampai hari Minggu pagi kalau gitu. 1 minggu ya. Oke. Is there any questions? Oke, kalau tidak ada, kita ketemu lagi next week. Sudah malam, jangan lupa istirahat ya. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.